In this example, we're going to use the sum and difference formulas backwards. Write the expression as the sine, cosine, or tangent of an angle. Here I have three examples. In my first example, notice that this is the expansion of which one of these rules? It's the expansion of the cosine sum rule. It's this one right here. How do I know? Because I have cosine times cosine minus sine times sine. And that's what this gives you, cosine times cosine minus sine times sine. And notice that u, in both cases, I have the same value for u and I have the same value for v. Okay, so u is 25 and v is 15. That means this is a case of a sum formula for cosine. So they're asking you to write this expression as the sine, cosine, or tangent of an angle. So this is what you do. You use it backwards. So since I know this comes out of this formula, I'm going to write this in a more reduced form. I'm going to write it as the cosine of 25 plus 15, or the cosine of u plus v. And we had already said this is u, this is v, u, v. So what I have here is the cosine of 25 plus 15, which in turn is equal to the cosine of 40. And this is your final answer. This is what they're asking you to do, is take this expanded expression, use the cosine addition formula to find the cosine of the angle, which is cosine of 40. Okay, let's do that again with number 2. For number 2, I see that this expansion uses 140 and 50. I already know this is u and this is v, u, v. So I'm going to find the rule or the formula to rewrite this as a single expression. And I can see that this is the sine formula for addition. Here it is right here. Sine of u plus v is going to be sine times cosine. That's what I have, sine times cosine, plus cosine times sine, cosine times sine. So I'm going to use this one, work it backwards. They gave me this long expression. I'm going to take it to here. So this will equal to sine of u plus v. In this case, u is 140 plus v, which is 50. And you get sine of 190 degrees. And that's your final answer, okay? For the tangent, we do the same thing. It's one of these two. I see that I have a minus in the numerator, so it must be this one. The tangent of u minus v. Again, u is 140, v is 60. So the tangent of 140 minus 60. That equals the tangent of 80 degrees. And this is your final answer. This is what they want you to tell, is to write this whole expression as a simplified expression. They're not asking you to solve it or to find the exact value or anything. Just rewrite it in a more condensed form using the formulas backwards. Okay? There you have it. I hope you understood, and I'll see you in the next video.